Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Hat Trick Box Break number 41 of 2012-13 SP Game used on 643boxbreaks.com. Break War with J. Ross. J. Ross has just finished his box with a nice Stamkos Jersey Auto card as the number one hit, and we'll do ours, and we'll see who gives away their bounty card. What we have this week is Gauntz from Dominion, rookie. Looks like a white patch, but it's got some color on the side. It's a seam. Number to 199. That's going up against J. Ross, a bounty card. So first thing I'll do is show you the list here. All right, starting from the top, Aaron got the first three. Then TJ, Crow, Chappie, Todd, Terry B, Kyle, Crow, Bummer Boy. Aaron got Florida for free in our last break. Chuck got the Kings, Crow, and Phyllis with the Habs. Nashville to Chuck, Aaron, Chappie, Aaron, Crow, Aaron, Chuck with Phoenix. Flyers takedown with Pittsburgh. Linda Scouts got San Jose. Crow with St. Louis. Chappie with Leafs and Lightning. Canucks to Chuck. And Jets to Chuck. And the Caps to Crow. Hey there, Chuck. Nice to see you, man. All the way from Korea. Good stuff. So, I'll show your serial number here. As shown in our auction, serial number is 195083717. And we get a couple 3+ team winners. So, first of all, Chuck, for your 5+ teams, you're going to get a couple of Dowdies. You're going to get this Dowdy, if ever going to game. And you're going to get this Dowdy. Game used. And Aaron, for your 5+, you're going to get a Evgeny Grachev rookie auto for the Rangers. And the Gaborik mirror for Rangers and Certified. And Crow, sorry man, I'm out of your favorite teams. Yes, I know it's 5+ BJ. Crow, I'm out of your favorite teams, unfortunately, but I have a couple cards from the NHL League leader, who is Thomas Vanek. So you're going to get one Vanek. Zoom. Focus, here we go. And then another Vanek. So if you hate Vanek or if you have another team, let me know. Just PM me and I'll switch those up for you if you want. I have a giant box of cards, so that was just the first couple that came on the top of my head. I just don't have Wings and Leafs right now, so yeah. All right, no new bidders today, so let's get in this box, and we will take the win soon enough. Five packs. All right. Pack number one. Our Price is Right and King Henrik bonuses are in play here, as well as Pot of Gold, which is serials less than 10, and Lotto 643, which is 643 serial numbers. So Starting off, we have a Henrique. We got a rookie in here, looks like. From the back, Marshawn. Malkin. Johnny T. Spacer. And for the Leafs, UC Renus. Authentic Rookies, Auto. And Leafs is Chappie. Hit number 1 for Chappie. Pack number 2. Uh-oh. See that? That's plastic. Plastic. Plastic is always good. Yuri Curry. Matty Duchesne. Excited for this plastic. Spacer, it's a thin plastic. Cam Neely. Guy Lafleur, and your plastic card, Sidney Crosby. Boom! And J. Ross loses again. Numbered, hand numbered. 9 of 15. Wow. There's your Crosby that you've never seen hit before, PJ. It's pretty awesome. And that Pittsburgh is Flyers takedown. 716. So congratulations on that one. Pretty sweet. Very few Crosby hits in boxes these days, especially autos like that. Yeah, Philly fan buys Pittsburgh. Well, maybe he's a Crosby fan. All right, we get a King Henrik. Ding, ding, ding. Bonus packs. Set him aside. Dougie G. Kovalchuk. Dion Phaneuf. And Double Team Canada, Iggy and Getzlaff. So a rule on Team Canada is they go to the teams that they're currently playing for, and if they're retired, they go to the team that they played the most games for. So this guy here is going to go between the Flames and the Ducks. And TJ and Aaron will just do that here shortly. All right. Pack 4, Super Mario. Oh. Taylor Hall. Pete Angelo. Spacer. And going to the Panthers. Stephen Weiss, Chris Versteeg. Panthers is Aaron. And our last pack. Eberle, Patrick Kane, Ron Francis, Holtby, Spacer, and Ryan Ellis. That goes to Nashville. Which is Chuck. All right. So we need to do a random here between Calgary. We'll do Calgary as 1 to 15, and then we'll do Getzlaf as 16 to 30. Okay. So I'm just going to roll that. So 1 to 15, Iggy, 16 to 30, Getzlaf. Number 1 goes to Iggy and TJ. So I'm going to go through all of our regular bonuses here, and then we will finish off our break war with a boat on the Victory. Right, so I'm just going to, a little housekeeping in here. Oh yeah, my Lundqvist. I almost forgot about him. I got a brand new box of Series 1 waiting for that. Yeah. Conceding defeat, are you, J. Ross? All right, so we're gonna bust a couple packs of Series 1 for that Lundqvist we hit. I like this Series 1. Get in there. Jonas Hiller, Anthony Stewart, Goligoski, Johnny Quick, hit for the Jets, Evander Kane canvas. So Kane canvas, and the Jets is Chuck. And then we got a Briere, Berglund, Hamhuis, Miller. Let's do one more. Yeah. Too bad for you, PJ. Heatley, Niederreiter, oh, shiny, Giroux, and we get a silver skates, Jean Beliveau. Going to the Habs and Felix Victoria. Ryan Clove, Carter, Brodeur, Alfie. All right, now on to the bonuses. Mark says Ben is live. So no hat trick bonuses tonight. No one had 3 hits. So we'll do Plinko board free break. Giving away slot number 19 today. With that, and that's just a customer appreciation break that we give away all the slots for. So 17. And I should probably show you the Legends bonuses. One of them got given away, so we replaced that. And what we have new is an Esposito and Busick. Esposito Busick tandem twigs. And this side we have the 2 Dions, the benchmarks and the auto from Classics. So we're dropping down 17 to give away a free team. Here we go. Gone to the Flames. And TJ. Next up, we have our streaking bonus. We have actually 2 people here today that got their 10th team, and they win free teams at our next break. And that is Bummer Boy and Linda. So let's do your free teams right now. First off, we'll do Bummer Boy. 24. Dropping down 24 for a free team. Philly. Philly is Aaron. Or not Aaron. Free team goes to Bummer Boy is Philly. All right, now we'll do Linda. 25. Getting close to the Legends bonuses over here. Oh, just about. Detroit. So Bummer Boy gets Philly, and Linda gets Detroit. And Chappie, you are on 9, so one more break, and you're going to have free team too. All right. Next up, Legendary Luck. The game that gives away a card every single break, pretty much. So, you know the drill. You guys aren't new. 4 cups. Numbers 1 to 4. And say a number now. Todd says 3. 3 it is. Good call. You'd think we have 4s under all of these. But I assure you, it's on the up and up. So 4 drops for Legends. So here we go. And call a number now. 27. Todd's on the ball today. Dropping on the Bruins side. The Busick Esposito. Wrong way. Landed in Minnesota. All right, drop 2. Go. Todd again. 29. You guys got to be quicker. Okay, dropping down 29. Oh. Oh, close. Okay, someone other than Todd now. Go. Last thing I see is J. Ross. Todd was first 4, but J-Dub's got in there with a 3 as well. All right, let's do 3. Dropping down 3. Colorado. Last one, go. Last thing I saw was Chappie say 30, so next person. Todd, you already got the first 2. But I'm going to let Chuck go with his 2. Here we go. Dropping down 2. Todd being greedy on the picks. He is a quick typer, though. Colorado again. So no legendary luck today. Well, we'll probably give it away here at the end when we're dropping more bonuses, but not yet anyway. So next we're giving away our last slot in off the post bracket. So that's our Pack Wars tournament where we give away 8 slots. We have 7 given away. And in order to win one of these, you can't have a slot already. So the people that have slots are Aaron, Felix Victoria, Terry B, Crow, Golf Nut, Linda Scouts, and Aaron Ohm 2. So somebody other than those people may win that last slot, and then we will do that Pack Wars pretty quick here. All right, so I have the old Frankenstein and all the chips. And as long as you didn't get a hit and you're not one of those 7 people, if I pull you out, you win. Jackets. Columbus, Terry B. Terry has a slot. Next one. Pens has a Crosby. No slot for you. Flames has that Iggy hit. Kings. Kings get anything? Kings did not get anything. That's Chuck, and he is not in it. So congrats, Chuck. You got our last off the post, and if I remember correctly, you are a former off the post champion. You got a whole box of Series 1 once. So, off the post done. And I'm just going to give you guys an update on our hockey pool. So I'll give you the top 4. And that's not the 6-4-3 pool, that's the hat trick pool where we did breaks for the players. And in slot 1 is Chuck at 69. Slot 2 is Aaron at 66. Slot 3 is Vangerbeek at 64. And number 4 is Todd at 61. And do want to give you a heads up. Our next break is Wednesday next week. It's not going to be this Friday. I'm out of town, so we're skipping on that one. But I'll be back for all the rest. And Wednesday next week, we're going to have a couple new bonuses that we've been thinking on for a little while. So I'm going to mix it up a little bit and switch out a couple with some new stuff. So keep an eye on that. We're doing another break war with J. Ross, where we will most likely win again because we're the best. Hey, Jay. What's the standing for the 6-4-3 one? Oh, yeah, I'm not sure. First PJ. All right, so that's a break, guys. Thanks for your bids. Thanks for everything. We're going to give away, I guess we all agree that we win with a Crosby card over the Stamkos. So we're going to give away J. Ross's card. So I am going to random for his card, and I'm going to use the Plinko board for that. And whatever team it lands on gets the card. So we won, so one of my buyers gets his bounty card. Alright, so let's give his card away. It's pretty fun giving away other people's cards, so let's go. Going down, number 20 for the bounty card of J. Ross. Here we go. That card going to the Jackets. And that's Terry B. So congrats, Terry. Got yourself J. Ross's bounty card. And yeah, that's the break for tonight, guys. Check out the bin. 1112 titanium looks like. And we'll see you next week on Wednesday. And PJ will be doing some bins between now and then. So we're still around. Just our auction break will be a week from tonight. All right, thanks a lot, and good night.